Oh, hi. That was you? Oh, what happened? Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh no. Napilayan yata. Oh. Hello, parang natatakot din naman ako. Kuhanin. Hala, my bird na ano. Parang bigat-bigat niya, ha? Hala. Hello, how are you? Are you okay? Dumapo dito eh. Ano kayang gagawin ko dito? Oh. Ay, ay. Okay pala siya eh. Uy. Ano nangyari? Let me help you. What happened? Man. It's something wrong? Are you a baby? Or I don't know. It's like before. Don't go anywhere if you hurt. I don't know what happened. It was just... It fell off from the tree. Hi guys. I was walking at the backyard and all of a sudden a bird fell off from the tree. And I wonder what happened, and this bird is too heavy. It's like, what happened? Oh man, it's like a baby, isn't it? Oh. Are you sick? Oh, poor thing. Get well soon. Hi guys, I found a bird. Oh, I'm sorry. And I am wondering what happened. Oh, I'm sorry. I should not do that. I just need to look what happened. Are you injured? No. And what? Oh. Nilayasan ako guys. Akala ko may sakit siya. Ay, nandoon. Lumipad.